Hey Gary, how you doing? This is George Harmon at Toyota of Melbourne. Hey, I got your inquiry on a 2017 Tacoma, so I just wanted to send you a quick video, a little walk around the truck for you. Alright, so I have a few of these left in stock. This happens to be one of them. This is a limited model. So you got your leather interior and all your bells and whistles. Got the double cab. Okay. There's your bed liner, tow hitch, V6. The limited wheels right there. Also, Gary, the Toyota Tacoma, as you might already know, has the best resale value in any truck in its class. Okay, Gary, so that was my little video for you. Hope you find it well. You can reach me at 321-254-8888. My extension is 349. You can also reach me on my cell phone at 407-454-3030. Give me a call, we can schedule a test drive. You have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.